Is it working? Hey!
I'm Paula, this is Drake.
This is Drake, this is Natalie. Okay, so I think this is gonna be the next, oh my god, I can't speak again. I think this is gonna be like a next episode of doing dumb things in Canada. This is not really stupid though. I mean,
we're just gonna waste your money.
True, which is stupid. Ta-da-da! We decided to go Black Friday shopping because it's Black Friday and we don't have school.
Thank God.
That's it. Literally, that's it. So, yeah.
Hope you enjoy.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Now, where are you now? 'Cause I've been going places.
Hey, we're going to Zara and Urban Outfitters, of course. Oh, there's H&M too. Can we look there too? Because I need a new coat and I got this coat from there. Wait, what? Trying on. I got a scarf and a really cute bra. She got 2 cute bras. I got the Calvin Klein one. Oh my god, really? Mine was cheaper than I expected it to be.
And you had a scarf.
And yeah. And now... Oh, I just got a really bad look. Anyway, we're going to Zara and I want to find a coat. And I also need to buy Christmas presents. Oh my god, Zara, here we come! There was nothing at Zara, so we're going to Victoria's Secret now. Hey! So we stopped at the car because we had too many things to carry. But yeah. Let's go. Okay, what are we doing now?
We are looking at beautiful things.
Are we lost? Yes! Are you... Too many! Yeah, too many.
I need black for sure.
Yeah, sure.
I have a white one.
Hey. Okay, hey. We just bought a lot of underwear. But yeah, now we're going to Hudson Bay again. Yeah. Oh, this lighting is really good. Okay, bye. That's all.
Have a nice day.
Nordstrom. Hey. Yeah, it's so pretty. Update. I bought another thing. Like,
Your
look at
uncle and my dad are gonna match.
Oh
my god, these are soft.
We're literally just shopping underwear today.
Gotta make those boys love us.
Okay, so now we're in Bath and Body. Oh my god.
Bath and Body Works?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cold. Okay, we didn't get anything from Bath and Body Works, so the next stop is Chapters. We're planning a book. That's what we're doing right now.
For my dad about cars.
Hey, that's amazing. Okay, we're done. Stuff. That's like,
Oh my god.
oh my god. And then this. Are you kidding? Hey! My booty cheeks are hurting. I'm so sorry. We've been literally walking for 4 hours straight. We have
Parking? Oh my god.
yeah, the parking was so expensive. But it's okay. Yeah.
It was worth it.
I mean, we spent so much money, but it was like most of them were just gifts, so
Yeah.
it's for a good cause.
Yeah.
And now we're just getting coffee and getting home because we're so tired, and we're gonna do a haul there. So stay tuned. So, this is all we got.
This is all we got?
This is a gift for her, so I'm not gonna show this, but I got something. Okay, so we first went to Urban Outfitters and this is so cute. Yeah.
Calvin Klein.
I got a red one. I wanted a red one so bad for so long. Look at this. Just imagine, okay?
For all the boys out there, just imagine.
Yeah.
Love this.
This is so cute. Cause like I tried on another one. I showed you in the like try on clip. There was a white one and it looked so good, but it was kind of like a grandma style, but it looked really good on. But I mean, that's better.
Show you.
Oh yeah, I got a scarf instead, cause it's Canada, and
it gets pretty cold.
in our igloos. In your igloos. This was like a good price too.
Yeah.
It was,
I think 50.
yeah, 50. Okay, so that's urban.
Then, yeah, we just got
Bunch of undies. Bunch of them. Like, this is all, everything I got for myself.
yeah, me too. That was
And then
just
literally
myself.
it's just presents. Like, we got a lot of them.
like a lot.
Yeah, show the pictures again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well, this
let's
is
show
mine
them.
too. This is mine. So like, I'll show this. It's like a robe. That's from shower. And it says "Nature is secret" on the back. You can't really see it.
It's so cute.
Yeah, I got one for me and my sister.
That's so.
Both in white.
I'm trying to think of like other words than cute. That's so
Adorable.
adorable. It's so it's literally
Exotic. Imagine me.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Better. Yeah. Then this is for my uncle.
I have the same thing for my dad.
It's Tommy. Yeah. And then this. I got the
I like
same
this
one.
one.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
for my cousin.
Another one.
I like this
I
one.
like this one. Yeah.
Then this one for my other cousin. So they could all match and be really handsome men.
You're gonna match with my dad. I like this one so much.
This one looks really good. Like,
I could wear it with like jeans.
oh, I can steal it from him. No, it's a gift.
And I got him this too.
Yeah, that's
It's like
cute.
every year we get him like a car book. That's
He's
it,
into cars.
right? Oh,
Oh, then
you have more stuff.
and then I got stuff for like someone special.
Oh,
I got this.
Very
I don't know
special.
how. I was really unsure. It's a hoodie.
the more you look at it, the more that
Yeah.
it gets nicer.
I didn't like it at first, but now I like it. So that's good. And then I just got a bunch of underwear. And that's it. Wow.
That was great.
That was long. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're gonna eat because we're
Can
starving.
you add me on Instagram at
Here's her Instagram. Go follow it right now. And then this is mine too, if you just want to, you know, like. But yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching and see you next, or the other next, because I never upload
regularly?
like regularly. So